nap solo upon the glass. The cafe's warmth is where I find my class. With dim lit charm and a cozy sprawl, I sip my coffee as the world falls. The chatter's soft like whispers in the night. The barista's hums a steaming delight. Outside the drops perform their sweet ballet. Inside we dream on this rainy day. Oh, the magic in these moments we borrow, sheltered from both time and sorrow. Each drop outside tells tales untold. In this cafe stories unfold. Umbrellas dance in slow parade. White coats hang the rain serenade. Laughter mingles with the scent of bread. In secret shared, a love not yet said. The jazz notes float seductively waiting. In my mind, romantic laning. A handkerchief, a smile so light. Eyes that twinkle, what a sight. Oh, the magic in these moments we borrow, sheltered from both time and sorrow. Each drop outside tells tales untold. In this cafe stories unfold. The magic in these moments we borrow, sheltered from both time and sorrow. Each drop outside tells tales untold. In this cafe stories unfold.